Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can switch between the game and the media profiles on your Astro A30 headset. To do this, you have to select them from your application on the phone and then go to the profiles, tap on this arrow, and as you can see we can pick between the game and the media. If you want to adjust any of these profiles, now you have to just click on these three dots, and here you can rename the profile, but you can also, as you can see, adjust the current internal sidestone, Astro footsteps mode, and also the balance between the game and the voice. And you can simply do this by adjusting the settings. So when I switch, for example, to the boom mic and go to the low and put it like that, it will be set up for this profile. And if you want to set up for the media, just do the same. You can also create the new by tapping on the new profile. You can give it the custom name, and here you can adjust the another profile. If you want to delete any of the profiles, you can just open it and then click right here, but when it's not selected, so it looks like that. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.